Hey guys, hi and welcome to Delicious World in My Kitchen. Today's recipe is very simple and easy. No bake carrot pudding. So if you are new to my channel or if you are watching my channel without subscribing, please click the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon. To start with the recipe, we need 3 carrots which I have washed, cleaned and peeled, and cut it into small pieces like this. Then add it to a pan and add half cup of water and cook the carrot till the carrot are soft and mushy. This is a very simple pudding in which you don't require any baking. At the same time, it's very healthy too. Take a clean mixie jar to which add 2 cardamom, and to the same mixie jar I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. And nicely blend it and powder the sugar. And once the sugar is powdered, to this add 5 tablespoons of milk powder. You can use any brand of milk powder. Add the milk powder to the mixie jar which has sugar and cardamom. And to this add 4 eggs. The main purpose of adding cardamom is you don't get the egg smell. If you want, you can add 5 to 6 eggs also when you make this pudding. After blending it nicely, you will get a fluffy mixture like this which has lot of air bubble in it. And to this add your boiled carrots. And the main thing, when you boil the carrots, add less water so that only your carrot is cooked well. We don't need any extra water in our carrot. And then blend it and make a fine paste out of it. Take a wide pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee at the bottom of the pan. And then coat the pan nicely with the ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can use oil or you can even use butter, but try using unsalted butter. And once the pan is nicely coated with ghee, to this pan add the mixture. And once you add this mixture, make sure your flame is always in low and cook this for 8 to 10 minutes. So within 8 to 10 minutes, nice healthy pudding with egg and carrot is ready for you. Now you can see the side is almost brown, and you can decorate this with any nuts which you like. Here I am decorating with cashew nut. You can even add dry grapes to the batter, or you can add dry grapes on top of it, or you can decorate it with walnut or almond. Whichever nut is your favorite, you can use it. So our very healthy steamed carrot pudding is ready. And when you want to serve, let it become a little cool, and when it comes to room temperature, then relieve the sides and then turn it onto a plate, and you get a yummy soft pudding like this. So You can see how soft and fluffy it is. I hope you liked the recipe. If you have liked the recipe, please do click the like button, and you can definitely share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe to my channel. And bye till we meet next time.